How to share your live location on WhatsApp. In this video, I'll show you how to share your live location on WhatsApp. Start by opening the WhatsApp app on your Android phone or iPhone. Then, open the individual or group chat where you'd like to share your live location. Tap the attachment icon. It's the paperclip icon on Android or the plus icon on iPhone, and select Location. Next, tap Share Live Location, and then tap Continue if prompted. WhatsApp will ask for location permissions if they aren't already enabled, so make sure to allow them. Now, choose how long you'd like to share your live location. You can select from the available time options, such as 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. You can also add an optional message before sending. Once you're ready, tap Send. The people in the chat will be able to view your real-time location for the duration you've selected. If you want to stop sharing before the timer ends, simply tap Stop Sharing and confirm your choice. That's it. You've successfully learned how to share your live location on WhatsApp. If you find this video informative, click on Like, Share, and Subscribe for more videos.